Hi guys, thanks for watching. Today we are test driving Jeep Grand Cherokee V6, which came in with the DPF problems and power loss, a few things all sorted out. We are doing a test drive with a owner customer. What can you say about your car? How was it driving and how is it doing now? You got a smile on your face.
Yeah, no, definitely got a smile on my face. It's just the thing you realise is the turbo lag's gone. The moment you touch your accelerator, there's no lag. It just takes off.
Responsive?
Yeah, totally responsive.
And what about the gear changes?
Come out of the turning now, and it's just instant. There's no lag, no hesitation,
No engine light?
no, and it just...
Any black or white smoke?
No,
Which you experienced this morning?
Not. Yeah, I had plenty of that this morning. But yeah, no, everything's gone, and it's just feels totally different car, smooth, and it's just that response. It's absolutely instant.
Wow.
And it just feels so much, and the gear changes, just boom, boom, boom,
You
boom.
came all the way from Essex, didn't you?
No, Hertfordshire.
Hertfordshire?
Yeah.
How many miles is that?
About, I think it was 87 miles.
Oh my God, it's a long way to come.
Yeah, but well worth the journey.
It's well worth the journey. Okay, thank you very much. You're a happy man. That's
Yeah.
good. Thanks for watching. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Westram, Kent, and we are specialized on diesel particulate filters, EGR valves, AdBlues, NOx systems, power loss, black or white smoke issues. What else? Well, I think I counted all. And also we are Auto Watch, Ghost Immobilizer Fitting Center, and Quantum Tuning ECU Programming Center too. Thank you. We are hoping to see you very soon.